brings me back to my Tennessee roots. Yeah! Riding cowboy. I'm gonna ride this tractor all the way to redemption. Unity Warriors is proud to introduce the first Zionist tractor to ever grace these hills. First time she's touching Judean soil. But you guys have to join us, for real. There's a lot of land left to conquer. They knew it in the time of Joshua, and we certainly know it now. This is the first Zionist tractor in this entire region. But without your partnership, without your support, none of this continues. So please, jump on this tractor with this Special Forces team of Unity Warriors, wholly dedicated to protecting the people and planting this glorious land. Now let's ride. Gotta join us. There's really nothing like it.
Am Israel Chai, baby.
אם לא נשכח